Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to show you how we can add a text link in a blog, or maybe how we can create anchor text and anchor link. In the last video, I have clearly explained you the difference between anchor text and anchor link, right? Now in this video, let's complete the practical. And for that, I want to navigate to the Click and Capture Studio website. And in the Click and Capture Studio website, I want to click on the blog which is on the main menu, and in the blog I want to open the blog that we have created recently, South Indian Bridal Reception Look, and I want to open the blog. And now inside the blog we do have the heading, images, and then the content. In the last video we have seen, right, when we click on the Click and Capture Studio and anchor text, it will take us to the Click and Capture Studio homepage. I want to quickly close this particular tab, and in the blog now let's create an anchor text for wedding photography so that anybody who clicks on wedding photography, it have to redirect them to the wedding photography page inside the Click and Capture Studio website. And when someone clicks on the event photography, the user needs to be landed on the event photography page of the Click and Capture Studio. So how are we going to create an anchor text and anchor link? It is so simple. So what we have to do, we have to click on the edit post which is onto the top of the website. And if you do not see these elements, all you have to do is you have to log into the WordPress website. I will show you how we can do that. You have to log into your WordPress admin panel so that you will be seeing this particular elements. And I quickly would like to show how you can log into the WordPress. So first I want to navigate to the clickandcapturestudio.com, and let me close the first tab. And if you do not see these elements in the URL, right after the website, you have to enter /wp-admin, and then you have to click on enter. It will take you to the login page where you have to enter your WordPress admin username and password. Then you will be landing onto the WordPress admin dashboard. And the main important thing, you will be able to see these particular elements. Now when you click on Click and Capture Studio, it will take us to the website, and you have to click on edit page for the blog that we are editing. So in our scenario, we have to click on blog. Again, I want to open South Indian Bridal Reception Look, and then I want to click on edit with Elementor. Now once the blog has been opened, we have to scroll down a little bit, and then we have to find the text for which we want to keep the anchor text and anchor link. So in this particular element, we have to click on edit. Now once it is done, we have to select the text which is wedding photography, and then we can find the options which got popped up, and we have to click on this particular icon that we are going to add for wedding photography. So let me click on it, and here we have to paste the URL of wedding photography inside the Click and Capture Studio. So what we have to do, let me quickly open a new tab. I want to navigate to clickandcapturestudio.com, and here in the services I want to find the wedding photography page. And once we enter into the page, all we have to do is we have to take the copy of the page URL, and then we have to navigate back to the blog, and then we have to paste it right here. And once it is done, we have to click on this button. It is so simple. Just like the Click and Capture Studio, the wedding photography is now an anchor text, and the URL which we have posted is an anchor link. All we have to do is we have to click on publish. It is so simple. Now in order for us to view the changes, what we have to do, we have to open the blog. And how we can open? There are multiple ways. So that I want to open the Click and Capture Studio website first, and then I want to click on the blog, and then I want to open the blog, and then let me scroll down a little bit, and here I can see the wedding photography is now an anchor text. Any user who clicks on the wedding photography will be redirected to the wedding photography page of Click and Capture Studio. It is useful for the users to understand more about the wedding photography. Through the anchor text, the users now landed to the Click and Capture Studio website, and if they really like the photos that we have posted here, maybe they can click on book now, and then they will reach out to the Click and Capture Studio. It is one of the good way to get the leads. And also in the blog, it is very much important for us to add more anchor texts and anchor links wherever necessary. And for the people who reads the blog, they have to feel convenient while having a look at the content that we have written. And also, as I said in my last video, the anchor text and anchor link is very much useful for the Google bot, the crawlers and spiders. It will boost the SEO. And this is all about this particular video, where we have learned how we can add a text link in a blog, or maybe how we can create an anchor text and anchor link inside a blog. If you really find my video helpful, I want you to watch all my digital marketing classes. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did more than hundreds of videos which are short videos which will be very useful to you, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.